Hello everyone! Today I would like to introduce to you the most cost-effective CC6160W full protective wheel hub repair lathe from Taian HAISHU. Adopting the special system for automobile wheels independently developed by HAISHU supports 3 detection methods. The language and logo can be customized. It can perfectly match your business requirements. One click to the knife, one click output program. Programs can be saved and called at any time. The operation is simple and efficient. Handheld units enable close-range operation. The design is very user-friendly. Laser detection only takes a few tens of seconds. Hub surface data can be obtained. Precision calculations through exclusive algorithms. Outputs a program that fits the original curve. The guide rail is made of cast iron. Strong rigidity, able to resist large cutting forces. Double triangle design ensures stable and reliable operation. Extended claw wheel hub furniture design. Armor is convenient. Clamping is reliable. Improved repair efficiency. The tool holder can be selected as a straight row, manual, or electric type to flexibly adapt to different needs. Bedroom structure. Small footprint, easy to handle. Especially suitable for the mobile market. Expand your range of services. The appearance adopts a fully protective design to protect the operator and prevent the exposure of aluminum chips. Keep the workshop clean and tidy. This device is the earliest dedicated model developed by our company. It can repair car wheels within 24 inches. We help you achieve efficient repair at a low cost. The equipment is based on flatbed numerical control lathe design, combining high performance with hub-specific functions. Get high-end equipment at low prices.
Using laser detection, quickly obtain the surface curve of the wheel hub. Save time. It is more widely applicable. Adopt one-button tool setting automatic output program for precise processing, and ensure that the wheels are as bright as new.
You are welcome to visit our company at any time. Experience firsthand the power of our devices. You can contact me at any time if you have any questions.